Fine, let us start working on the next problem, that is problem number 6, based on fractions and decimals. Let us check out here. So pick the odd one out, right? So they have given 4 fractions here, that is A, B, C, D. We are supposed to find the odd one out here. So let me check out one by one. So A, let me take this A, which is given in terms of mixed fraction, right? 14 2 by 3, right? Let me convert it into improper, right? So how you know how to convert this. This is, you need to multiply here and then you need to add that product. So 14 3s are 42 plus 2, 44 by 3, right? So this is A, right? Similarly, let me go with the B, that is going to be 13 2 by 5, right? So 13 5s are 65 plus 2, 67 by 5. Right, so let me go with the C, that is they have given 16 by 7, and D, that is 17 by 24. Now observe here the numerator, so 44, denominator is 3, right? So 67 and by 5, right? 16 by 7. Here in these 3 cases the denominator is less than the numerator. So then if the denominator is less than the numerator, then it is going to be called as what? Improper fraction, right? Improper fraction. But if you take this 17 by 24, right, here the numerator is less than the denominator, so this is going to be a proper fraction. Right, so the odd one here is, so proper fraction, option D is the right one.